Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications on your Autotrader account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will end back within the home page. Now, if you wish to turn off any email notification that you receive from Autotrader, just click on your username at the top right corner, then click on Profile, and this will now take you into your profile settings page. Now, at the top section, just click on Communication Preferences. And now you will see various different categories of email notifications that you might receive. In order to unsubscribe and deactivate all of these notifications, just click on the checkbox for each of the notification category where it says unsubscribe. After checking all of these boxes, you can finally click on the unsubscribe button at the bottom, and now you will be unsubscribed from all of the emails from Autotrader. If you wish to turn it back on once again, you can go back to the communication preferences menu and make your changes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off email notifications on Autotrader. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.